I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2, and let me show you how to turn off this watch. So what you need to do is just long press on this button, the digital crown, just long press on it. You'll feel a vibration and see the power menu, and you should see power off and restart. So you can just tap on power off and then tap on that again, and that's going to turn off the watch. Now, another way of doing it is to go to settings. So just press here once to go to the main menu, and then you can scroll on the main menu until you get to settings. Tap on that. Under settings, scroll all the way near the bottom until you get to system menu. Tap on that, and then under system menu, you should see power off. If you tap on that, then tap on that again, and that's going to turn off the watch. So let me tap on it. Feel a slight vibration, screen goes off, and the watch is off. So these are the two ways of turning off your CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. Thanks for watching and good luck.